Healthy eating tips for a better life. Introduction. Eating healthy is very important for feeling good and staying strong. The food we eat every day helps our bodies grow, gives us energy, and protects us from diseases. Healthy eating means eating a variety of different foods that give our body the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs. In this article, we will give you some easy and helpful tips for eating healthy. Eat a variety of foods. One of the most important parts of healthy eating is eating a variety of foods. This means eating different types of food from all the food groups. These include fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. Each type of food gives your body something different, so it's important to have a mix of them in your diet. Fruits and vegetables. These are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Eating a lot of fruits and vegetables helps your body stay healthy. Try to eat different colors of fruits and vegetables. This will help you get a range of vitamins and nutrients. You can eat them fresh, cooked, or in smoothies. Grains. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread are healthy for your body. They give you energy and help your digestion. Try to eat whole grains instead of white bread or white rice. Proteins. Protein helps your muscles grow and repair. Good sources of protein include chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. It's also important to choose lean proteins, which have less fat. Dairy. Dairy foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese are good for your bones because they have calcium. If you can't eat dairy, you can try non-dairy alternatives like almond milk or soy milk, which are also good sources of calcium. Drink water. Drinking enough water is another important part of healthy eating. Water helps your body stay hydrated, helps with digestion, and keeps your skin healthy. It's important to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. If you are active or in a hot place, you may need more water. Try to drink water throughout the day, not just when you are thirsty. Sometimes people drink sugary drinks like soda or juice instead of water. These drinks can have a lot of sugar, which is not good for your health. Drinking too many sugary drinks can lead to weight gain and other health problems like diabetes. Try to drink water or unsweetened drinks like herbal tea. Limit junk food. Junk food like chips, candy, and fast food can taste good, but they are not healthy for your body. These foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Eating too much junk food can cause weight gain, increase the risk of heart disease, and make you feel tired or sluggish. Instead of junk food, try to eat healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, yogurt, or vegetables with hummus. These snacks will help you feel full and give your body the nutrients it needs. If you do want to eat something sweet, try fruit or small amounts of dark chocolate instead of candy or cookies. Control portion sizes. Another important tip for healthy eating is controlling how much you eat. Sometimes we eat too much, even if the food is healthy. It's important to listen to your body and stop eating when you are full. A good way to control portion sizes is to use smaller plates. This can help you eat less without feeling hungry. Also, try to eat slowly and enjoy your food. This gives your brain time to send the signal that you are full. Eat regular meals. It's important to eat regular meals to keep your energy levels stable. Skipping meals can make you feel weak or tired, and you might eat too much later in the day. Try to eat 3 balanced meals every day, with healthy snacks in between if needed. This will help keep your energy levels up and your metabolism working well. Plan your meals. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you eat healthier. When you plan your meals, you can make sure you have healthy ingredients and avoid buying unhealthy snacks or fast food. You can also make a shopping list to help you buy only the foods you need. This can save you time and money, and it will make it easier to eat healthy throughout the week. Don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal because it gives you energy for the day. A healthy breakfast can include whole grains, protein, and fruits or vegetables. Some good breakfast options are oatmeal with fruit, yogurt with nuts, or a smoothie made with fruits and vegetables. Skipping breakfast can make you feel tired and hungry later in the day. It can also lead to overeating at lunch or dinner. Try to eat a healthy breakfast every morning to start your day in the right way. Balance your meals. When you eat, try to balance your meals by including different types of food. For example, you can have a plate with vegetables, protein, like chicken or fish, and a whole grain, like brown rice or quinoa. This helps your body get the nutrients it needs from each food group. Be mindful of special diets. Some people may need to follow special diets due to health problems or allergies. For example, people with diabetes may need to watch their sugar intake, while people with celiac disease need to avoid gluten. If you have a special diet, it's important to choose foods that are healthy for your condition. You can talk to a doctor or nutritionist for advice on what foods are best for you. Conclusion. In conclusion, healthy eating is about making good food choices every day. By eating a variety of foods, drinking enough water, and limiting junk food, you can stay healthy and feel your best. It's also important to control portion sizes, eat regular meals, and plan your meals ahead of time. By following these tips, you can enjoy delicious, healthy food and improve your health. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference over time. Start today and take small steps towards a healthier life.